Let's go back to news from the Central America and Caribbean Games, where Jamaica's Rugby Sevens female team will begin their campaign for a historic first medal at the event. They open their campaign on Saturday. The Lady Crocs will take on Costa Rica at 10 a.m. Jamaica time in the preliminary round before facing Mexico at 1:04 p.m. Naomi Dodd is the team captain.
We have definitely worked very hard over the past couple of years, waiting for the CAC Games. We are hoping to medal, definitely get on the pulpit for this year's CAC Games and definitely get a different placement that we did in the previous CAC Games that passed. And to reach those goals, we definitely need a lot of support from home. We definitely need to support each other. We definitely need to come out ready and knowing that at the end of the day, we have each other's back. And we have done everything that is needed to be done to reach where we're at right now and to just execute when the time comes.
Assistant coach TVJ Lynch is confident the team will do well given the preparations heading into the games.
We would have been doing our weekly meetings leading up 6 weeks leading up to the tournament, and everybody would have been in good conditions, good spirits, good minds. Would have been playing a very key observation and a key interest in playing and training in conditions, match conditions, that is keeping our strength and our conditioning up to a standard that which we can play the game at high intensity intervals while doing the right correspondence in each set play, in each moment of tackle, in each moment of defense and attack. And we've reached a standard where we are happy at, and we're happy to see the players actually making sure that they're reaching the standard.
The Lady Crocs have never won a medal and are looking to follow in the footsteps of the men's team that picked up silver in the 2023 edition of the Games.